Welcome to the Tech Bites, our new communications format with the aim to explain the special features of Schaeffler's technologies in a simple way. My name is Saskia Blea and I'm working as a communications professional at Schaeffler. Our first episode covers one of Schaeffler's most important inventions, the cage-guided needle roller bearing. I'm sure you all heard of it before, but do you actually know what is so special about it? Let's find out. As you know, the cage-guided needle roller bearing plays an important role in Schaeffler's history. In 1950, a patent was filed for it to protect its technological features. This paved the way for the success of today's motion technology company. But how can such a small bearing change the entire history of manufacturing, Schaeffler's in particular? The secret is the cage. Without cage guidance, the needles in the bearing are directly in contact with each other. This results in a lot of friction as the needles work against each other at their contact points. In addition, it leads to increased heat generation and wear. By using a needle cage, the rolling elements are guided parallel to the axle. This not only allows for higher rotational speeds, but also increases tilt stability and the lifespan. Simple, isn't it? But also brilliant.